Meet me as the new sheriff, and this is my duty as your elected sheriff.
Even if it's against ICE?
I don't care. If they're doing something that is illegal, unlawful, the sheriff will be there.
That's Lois Spotter. She's the one that actually physically loaned me the money. She's the mom. She's the owner of the home.
Yeah.
And then Leslie Shepard. And Lois is like in her 80s, and Leslie Shepard's in her 60s.
So, and I'm not saying you guys are going to start anything, but I'm just before.
So she give you money for the RV, right?
Yes, ma'am. She loaned me $10,000.
Just give me the title. Give her the title. This is insane.
Would they ask you for a title of the RV?
Yeah, she wants the title back because they loaned me the money for the title. I'm supposed to make them $1,000 monthly payments. But like,
the title it's under whose name?
My name, only my name.
Okay, only your name.
Yeah, and it was all verbal. It was all, and I have the text messages of them pulling out the cash and like, and I'm not trying to not pay them.
Yeah, well, with that whole situation with the whole money thing, that's something you need to go to claims court.
Sure.
This is insane.
To grab all your items, we could do like a civil standby, but that would be another call that you would just call us out and we could stand by when we grab everything.
Well, and that's just it. She said, I have a text message right here. She said I can come get all of my stuff that's on the street. She just said I can't go around the trailer, but I can show you the registration. I just want you guys, if you can, ask her to move her car, just so I can hook it to my truck and be out of there.
Yeah,
that's
if
it.
that's all you're doing, that's something that
and I have the U-Haul, so I can pack all this up. But
yeah, and like that, with that situation, you need to
that's
go
all
to
civil,
yeah,
right.
that's all civil.
But right now, legally, it's mine. So legally,
yeah,
I can take it, right?
It's under your name. We would do like a civil standby. That's
Sure.
what you.
It's my trailer, and they're holding it hostage, so that's theft right now in a felony degree because it's a $10,000 trailer.
And they're just not allowing you to take it off.
Yeah, they're blocking it in with their cars.
Okay.
And they're saying that I have to sign over the title to them because I owe them money, which I absolutely owe them money. But I'm not going to sign over the title and give up my house and like.
And then would you prosecute? Would you desire prosecution if you break into and
yes,
criminal damage done to your
So you have the title for the trailer?
I have the registration and the temp tag. They said they don't do titles in person, or you got to request it, and so they're mailing it to me now or something.
Okay, will you grab it?
And I bought it. I parked it there. I didn't register it, get tags or nothing because it's not on the road. I went and did that today because of this new found event. So.
Everyone on this side is going to ignore them, not even look at them, say anything. We'll handle everything. We have proof of the registration here. We'll make sure that everything goes as planned.
Hello?
Yes, can you come outside?
Sure.
Hi, what's your name?
Lois.
Hi, Lois. So we're here because the RV that's parked here. What's the whole situation with it? Andrew gave us a call.
I bought it.
A little bit of it.
I bought it, and he has the title on it.
Okay, is your name on the title?
No,
Okay.
because he went and got it without me.
Okay, so since the title is not in your name and it's only in his name, it's his property, so he has the right to take the
No,
trailer.
he doesn't.
Legally, because his name's on, he's a registered owner on the title.
Let me see the title.
We checked the title. We verified it. It's under his name. So by law, he has the right. Where are you going?
Chocolate.
Why?
Because That's my $10,000,
So the whole-
not his.
The whole money situation, that's
Yeah.
something you both need to go to civil court. So,
It's not his trailer.
and that's what I was explaining to Lois too. So, the registered owner, it's under his name. So, by law, he has the right to register it. There's nothing, unless you guys have which she said she didn't, have anything else in writing that has your
We have a
name on
verbal
it.
agreement with him that he absolutely broke over a month and a half ago. He's been living here for free for 3 months. He hasn't paid a single penny,
So-
and that was paid for by her money, and he was supposed to give her the title, and he's completely lied from the beginning.
Well, with that situation, that's civil. You have to go through claims court. But since it's in writing that the RV belongs to him, he has the right to that trailer. So he can legally have that trailer and take it off the property.
Okay, well, I'm going to ask you guys to go ahead and get a tow truck, and you can tow him off, because I'm not moving it.
So this is private property, and if you're going to refuse to move these, you both are going to be arrested for theft. So we're
For
trying.
theft?
Yeah, you're preventing him from having his property, which
It's
is
not his property, and you guys are determining that, and 9/10 of the
Ma'am.
9/10 of the law is that we have possession of it.
so. I understand. You guys were going out on goodwill, assuming that he was going to be.
Keep his promise.
Sure, and it sucks that that there's bad people out there that don't follow through on their word. However, we don't operate off goodwill or not. We operate off the law. And legally, he is the owner of this on paper. You have no documentation saying otherwise. So, legally, if you're preventing, just like if he had your truck in his front yard and was saying, she's not getting her truck out of my yard, you would be, or he would be arrested for preventing you access to your property. Which is right now, if you're refusing to move this so he can get access.
You guys are helping him rip us off. You're helping him rip
Move the
us
car.
off. Move the car.
I understand that that's the way it looks right now to you.
And it is. That's
That
what
is
it
what's
is.
happening.
Listen, we have to go.
Yes, ma'am.
There isn't a no parking zone.
Ma'am. you
Can
just-
you please have him move his vehicle or give him a ticket?
That's what he's going to try to
It's
hook
in
up.
a no parking zone.
Ma'am,
Seriously? You're going to enforce something with me saying it's law, but you're
why
not
do you
going to
think
have
he's
him?
parked right there?
I don't know. He could park over there.
He's trying to get the trailer. He's waiting for you to back up so he can hitch it up.
You're a pathetic, sad, lying man. But you know what? God sees you. He knows you're a liar. Wow. Wow.
It runs. I used to drive it every day until she took it. She does not start it. That's what I said.
Drove the hell out of it, so I didn't want to start.
Your daughter's calling you inside.
Yeah, well, I can't get it to start.
You want me to try?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. What's up?
As soon as it starts, feather the gas a little bit.
It's like right when I switch it into gear, it shuts off.
Yeah, no, you gotta hold it and just let it warm up a little bit and idle. Just hold your foot on the gas a little bit, it'll warm up.
All right. I think I might have gotten it.
Yeah, you gotta let it warm up a little bit.
I don't know. You want him? Okay. All right.
Hold it like that for a while. Yeah, hold it just like that for a little while.
On a what?
There's a little planter little thing. Just give it a little gas.
Am I gonna hit something?
No, just give it a little gas. There you go. Keep going. Like you're four-wheeling it.
Okay.
Come on, I know you can do it. right there?
Oh, gotcha.
That's what we're stuck at.
Did do you want me to write down the information for court? So you can,
Please.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
You got the gate closed? Yeah.
724 India. Can I get my numbers?
No worries, no worries. I'm done.
You're all done now.
Yeah, else I ain't worried about it. It's replaceable. I got my phone.
Okay, if you like, I can provide you two. It's just an incident number for this report.
Absolutely, please. I gotta get him to probation either way. He told me to update him after everything and let him know what happened. Because now I gotta move, so they want to keep tabs on me and stuff. Oh, I ain't even gonna try
I'll write it down for you. You're okay.
Oh, like I ain't even gonna try to say that one. How do you say it?
A leper check.
A left for check, okay?
And on here too, I'll provide you. So this is going to be claims court.
Okay. Yeah, I got no problem paying him. I owe him 10 grand. Plain and simple. I hope you write that in the report because I'm not denying it at all. I don't want to scam these ladies at all. I don't want to be in the hostile, toxic environment for them, for me, for anybody, you know.
So this here for you. So if you scan this with your phone, that gives you more information on the claims court too on how to proceed. And then this is the incident number, today's date, and then my information.
Right on. Thank you.
Is there anything else I can do for you?
No,
guys?
you guys are awesome.
It's
I
just
appreciate
but
both
this
of
is
you.
everything that you got, right? I know there was some
I'm
stuff,
not worried
but
about anything
like I said,
else.
Just
It is
go
what it
to,
is.
Go to court, get that figured out.
Whatever.
Get that.
Yeah. They'll get their money. I'm not worried about it.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
He did say that he was planning on continuing paying you back.
That's what he says.
Sure. My suggestion to you is if you want any attempt of either getting your money back or getting the trailer back, I would go to small claims court and sue him for what happened today. It's just, like I said to you earlier, it's unfortunate that there's a ton of people out there that prey on people that are generous and that do things to help others. We see it happen every day. You have some of his information, hopefully, like a phone number or something that you can reach out to. So hopefully, when we talked with him earlier, he did say that he was planning on continuing paying you back.
That's what he says.
Sure, and like I said, I can't control whether or not
I
he's
know.
just saying what we want to hear or what you want to hear in this very moment.
I know.
But like I was saying, your best bet is if you want to attempt to get anything out of this is small claims court. You have the keys. I parked your truck on the corner right here.
Yeah.
So now that they're gone, you guys can do it, pull back in or do whatever you guys need to do.
This here, if you scan this with your phone, this is to give you more information on that small claims court. This is the incident number, today's date, and then my batch number.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, so when you scan that, it'll give you the information of where the court is that you can go to small claims court, as well as information that you have as a victim, per se. Okay? Any questions before we leave? Okay. I'm sorry that this happened, ma'am. I'm sorry that, like you said, you were hopeful that someone wouldn't do this to you, but unfortunately, you know.
Unfortunately, he's a thief.
Okay.
But thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
I'm just going to film. So you are telling me that these body cams are very much backlogged.
Yes.
Okay. So I just wanted to confirm, how far behind are you?
Body camera is behind for 3 to 4 years. We're still working on requests from May of 2021.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So you're saying that the report was not amended for the last digits of 23395, that report. There's no amendments. Today's the 17th, right? The 18th. The 18th, okay, the 18th of September 2025. And then you're also saying that that body cam is still not done.
They're still working on it.
Now, here's a question I have for you. Who's in charge of the body cams getting this process? Who do I talk to about them starting to ask for one? Because the Board of Supervisors, they just passed a $175 million one-item budget for an election building. I don't know why they're not pouring money into making it to where that these body cams aren't 2 to 3 years behind. I mean, our due process is not being dealt with when we have to wait that many years for, especially when your court, you have a certain amount of years you have to file things. And so when you're waiting on this as part of your evidence, they're delaying, it's causing harm to our case to actually be able to file in court because this isn't done. I'm not upset with you. I'm just saying in general, it doesn't make sense in due process. We don't have access to these body cams. Technically, it says that Monday through Friday between business hours that public records are available for us to view. And obviously that's not the case because we've been waiting on this for, what, 2.5 years now? This was filed back in March of 2023. The point is it was back in 2023. And I'm still waiting on it. And I know it's not you guys. If she said that, I'm not. Oh. I don't understand why somebody in charge of the body cams doesn't submit something to the Board of Supervisors and, hey, you need to fund us some money so we can hire more people. So we're not like backing people up to miss their court dates because we can't give them the evidence they need for court. That can help us.
Hi.
Hi.
Let's see what's going on. When was it entered? Oh my gosh. And then the body cam, we're at 4 years right now, technically 3. So just because it happened in 2023 doesn't mean it would be ready.
How is due process being dealt with when we have to wait years to get body cams? How is that happening?
If you can see it, I'll check on the status for the one for 423395, and then I'll also take a look into the one for...
Thank you. Today is the 3rd, right, of October 2025.
Sign up for you, I'll call you back on.
Thank you.
I took a look into those ones. With the on-body camera, those ones, unfortunately, do have quite a bit of a time for like where they're being worked on. I wrote down the tracking numbers next to the 2 report numbers.
That'll be
on the
helpful
side
for
you to be
future.
able to check on the status of
That was
them.
sweet of you. Thank you.
So most likely it's going to be with those ones where you're either going to receive a phone call or an email from them letting you know it's needed. So I'll give this form to
Can
you.
you say again,
Giving them a call.
I am videoing for below. Can you say what the body cam weight is right now?
So as of now, the on-body camera wait is 3 to 4 years.
Wow. Okay.
They can
All right. You've always been so nice every time I come here. Thank you. I appreciate it.
I was able to check on these. These ones are just still pending right now.
Still pending. And these are
Those were the
both of the 2023. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Today's the 10th of November. Great. Thank you. Happy Veterans Day. So, do you know what the wait is for body cams right now?
3 to 4 years.
3 to 4 years? Okay. And today is day after.
Today's the 12th.
Today's the 12th of November. Thank you.
So I can
Where's the
your name and give
signature?
you a number, ma'am?
Yeah, thank you.
Scoot over a little bit. Let me get your stuff, sir. Sir, they'll call you when it's ready, okay?
Sure.
All right?
Few days, right?
Yeah, 2 days usually. You know the drill.
Yeah.
So who's in charge of the body cams? Because just now you said for whatever it is he was getting was 3 days, and we have to wait 4 years for a body cam.
He's getting a criminal record. He's getting something completely different.
I know, but
Body cam-
what do we need to do to be able to?
Based off priority for
Yeah.
court cases, high-profile cases, that type of stuff. That goes priority.
Right.
Before it
Here's
goes
your
to
number.
public.
Next
Right.
in line?
What about grand theft? Does that count?
Ma'am, you need to move. We have other customers.
Cam footage is going to take maybe 3 to 4 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got no problem paying them. I owe them 10 grand. I'm plain and simple. I hope you write that in the report.
Their job, of their responsibility. I will be here to protect them to do that.
And thank you, Sheriff, for being an American law enforcement officer and doing the job others won't.